Hey, listen, hey, little rock stars, what's up? So, I am going to give you some easy steps how you can grow your following fast. Are you ready to go? So, are you looking to start adding people, the perfect people to your coaching program? Well, great, because I'm going to break it down for you right here, right now, so you can fix this problem. Are you ready to go? Are you ready to go? So, the biggest mistake is that you're following the wrong people and you're allowing the wrong people to follow you. Uh-huh. It might look cool to be on Instagram with over 10,000 followers like I used to be, but I realized I still wasn't getting the reach. Is it look good to have, hundreds and hundreds of people following you on your business page and following you? Yes, it looks good, but it don't mean a hill of beans, okay? It don't mean a hill of beans, okay? So the biggest mistake you're making is allowing everyone to follow you, because what happens in any social media algorithm is it shows your content to the people that are following you. So how do you fix that? Okay, you every day remove followers that aren't engaging with you and that just aren't the right fit for you. Okay, we cannot be everything to everybody. I know. You think you can, but you can't. Okay, so start removing people. All right, so get to thinking about your cleaning. Okay, you're cleaning. All right, start thinking about your cleaning, because what happens is that it all the dead weight of followers and people that aren't engaging on your post are hurting you. It is keeping your post the perfect client that needs you, the perfect client. It is keeping them from seeing your post. It's keeping those people that are looking to find you. They're like dead weight. Okay, so all the social media algorithms love to show the content to the right people, but if you have a lot of dead weight hanging around, honey, the perfect person is not going to find you. So I hope you love this Insta tip right now today. I want you to every day go and unfollow, unfriend the right people that aren't the right fit for you. That will allow the algorithms to show up and start bringing you the perfect client. All right. So take care for now. I want you to hit like, subscribe, give this a thumbs up. Let me know if you're new. Let me know if this solution helped you with your problems. So get to it, because you got to start cleaning, my friend. Get to cleaning. Bye.